Hey guys, we're back. I'm Erin and this is my daughter Quinn, and today's hairstyle is a rope twist waterfall headband braid. It's kind of a mouthful, but it's a really pretty braid. One thing I want to share with you before I show you how to do the braid is how we start the braid. So we start it with a little starter ponytail, that's what I call it. All I do is take a little section of hair down here from kind of behind the ear and I put it into a ponytail. This hair is what is gonna form the twist part of the braid, and all the other hair is gonna go through it. So that's kind of important to know before we get started. And then the other thing I wanna show you here is the part line. So you can see how I just parted the hair right across the top of the head from ear to ear. So with that, let's get started. To begin, have the person rest their head on their side like shown. Next, divide the starter ponytail into 2 equal parts and then twist each section individually toward the back of the head. And then cross the back section over the front section toward the front of the head. Next, pick up a thin section of new hair and comb it smooth. And then lay that section through the 2 sections of the twist. Hand the waterfall section to your other hand and then twist the 2 sections toward the back of the head again. Next, cross the back section over the front section toward the front of the head. Pick up another section of new hair and lay it through the 2 sections of the twist. Add this second waterfall section to the first waterfall section that is already in your hand. Continue this pattern, twist both of the sections individually toward the back of the head, then cross the back section over the front section toward the front of the head. Pick up another new section of hair and lay it in between the 2 sections of the twist. And then add that third waterfall section to the other waterfall sections in your hand. Twist both of the sections individually toward the back of the head. And then cross the back section over the front section. Continue this pattern until done. There's just a couple of other things that I wanted to mention. One thing is that it's really important to take thin sections of hair. And after these sections have passed through the twist, it is important to continue to hold on to them with one hand. This keeps the braid tighter and it keeps the twist from slipping down the waterfall sections. Also, as you braid, you want to use the part line as your guide and position the twist right on top of it. I like to spray each new section of hair with spray gel before it passes through the twist, just to give this style more hold and to keep it looking neat. Also, notice how I'm still holding the waterfall sections in my left hand. I'm not holding all of them. I left some of them behind and they're secured with a clip on the left side of the head, but it is important to continue holding most of them as you go along. When you are done adding waterfall sections to the braid, just continue the twist a little bit more. And then using an elastic, anchor it to a small amount of hair from the center of the back hairline. And that's it, you're all done. We really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up below. And if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on what we're doing next. Thanks so much!